Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on this channel, you're welcome. I am A.H.P. Chen. I'm an author and I also do business. Now today's video is me sharing with you a recipe. I'm going to be making suya chicken and I'm using the chicken fillets, okay, that has been already cleaned. The skin has been removed, deboned, and I've washed it, okay. And now I'm going to use suya spice. Now this is from the N Square Foods, okay? That's the brand that I normally use for Nigerian, for some of the Nigerian ingredients, okay? So I'm going to use it liberally. Now we've already got some of the ingredients. Well, we've already got the ingredients listed in a video on our YouTube channel, so you can check that out if you want to make some suya spice at home, okay. If you can't find it in the store where you are, I'm sure you'll be able to find the ingredients in there in your local corner store or your supermarket or even your Afro-Caribbean food stores, okay. Now I'm going to be serving this suya with potato wedges, okay, that will also be oven cooked, and also some salad, which is just onions, cabbage, and some tomatoes.
This looks
Okay,
so good.
my hand is already clean. Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, hi guys.
That is David in the background.
And right here, right next to you now. That is the background. The dog was in the background.
No, just coat the whole chicken with the spice, okay. And can you wait? Whatever conversation you want to be having. No, I'm filming. No, be quiet, please. Yeah, when I finish, you can talk. Okay, right now, I'm filming this, so I don't need distraction. So on the side, clean side here, the one where there's no chicken, is where I'm going to be putting the potato wedges after this chicken has cooked a bit. Okay. So the wedges is still in the freezer. That is one of those that you can just take out of the freezer and start cooking it directly. My oven is preheating at 180. I'm not going to add any oil to this because the chicken has got a little bit of fat on the side, so the fat will just will be cooked out and will begin to drip, and that's what will be used to further coat the seasoning properly on the chicken, okay, when I turn and I baste it. Okay. trying to get some seasoning.
It tastes so good.
Good.
It's brown.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's gonna be the color when it's like roasted and it's given some flavor and some seasoning.
Yeah.
So it tastes nice when it's cooked.
Now we've got some oven dish in our online store as well, so you can check that out. Okay, and we're going to be adding some more dishes for our home section. So yeah, this one is not there. Okay, this came with our oven. However, you can get, I listed the small ones. So now I'm going to cover that bit because I don't want it to burn. Okay, in the oven. I want it to take its time to cook. I don't want it to burn. So then after a while, like about half an hour, I'll remove the cover and just put it on the side, turn it on the sides, fold it on the sides, and leave it to continue cooking so the juices can dry up a bit. Okay, and that's it, guys. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.